Welcome to Lean Learning Lane, the place where complex topics are explained simply. This playlist is called Basic Finance, and it's designed for people who were never taught how money really works. Here, we break down money concepts in plain language. No jargon, no hype, and no unrealistic promises. You'll learn how to manage your income, avoid common financial traps, and build habits that reduce stress and increase control. These lessons are short, practical, and evergreen, meaning they'll help whether you're just starting out or trying to fix mistakes from the past. Start with the first video, Why You Are Always Broke Even with a Job, and move at your own pace. Let's make money simpler, one clear lesson at a time. Most people don't struggle with money because they don't earn enough. They struggle because they don't have a simple system. The 50-30-20 rule is one of the easiest ways to organize your money without spreadsheets, without complex formulas, and without feeling overwhelmed. In this video, we'll break down exactly what the 50-30-20 rule is, how it works in real life, when it makes sense to adjust it, and how to start using it today, even if your income is low. What is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting guideline. It tells you how to divide your income into three categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. That's it. No complicated tracking. No daily micromanaging. It's not about perfection. It's about balance and awareness. The 50%. Needs. Let's start with the first category. Needs. Needs are the expenses you must pay to live and function. These include rent or mortgage, utilities, basic groceries, transportation, insurance, minimum debt payments. If you don't pay these, life becomes difficult very quickly. That's why needs should take up about half of your income, but not much more. When needs creep above 50%, it becomes harder to save, harder to enjoy life, and harder to handle emergencies. This part of this rule highlights something important. Housing and transportation choices matter more than most people realize. The 30%, wants. The second category is wants. This is where many people feel guilty, but they shouldn't. Wants are things that improve your quality of life, but aren't essential. Examples include eating out, entertainment, subscriptions, travel, hobbies, upgrades, and conveniences. The key idea here is intentional spending. The 50-30-20 rule doesn't say don't enjoy life. It says decide how much enjoyment fits into your financial reality. When you plan for wants, you enjoy them more and feel less stressed about money afterward. The 20%, savings. The final category is savings, and this is the most powerful part. Savings include emergency fund, debt payoff beyond minimums, retirement contributions, long-term investing. This 20% is what protects your future. It creates margin. It turns emergencies into inconveniences instead of disasters. If 20% feels impossible right now, that's okay. Start with what you can. Progress matters more than precision. Is the 50-30-20 rule realistic? A common question is, does this rule work for everyone? The honest answer is, it's a guideline, not a law. If your income is low, your needs might take up more than 50%. If you're aggressively paying off debt, your savings might be higher than 20%. The real value of the rule is structure. It gives you a starting point and a way to see where your money is actually going. How to apply it in real life. Here's how to use the 50-30-20 rule in practice. Step 1. Calculate your after-tax income. Step 2. List your expenses and group them into needs, wants, and savings. Step 3. Compare your numbers to the 50-30-20 guideline. Don't judge the results. Use them to make better decisions going forward. Budgeting isn't about control, it's about clarity. Common mistakes to avoid. A few mistakes to watch out for. Trying to be perfect. Cutting all enjoyment. Ignoring savings entirely. Giving up after one bad month. A budget that works imperfectly is better than one that's never used. Conclusion. The 50-30-20 rule works because it's simple, flexible, and realistic. It helps you manage money without feeling overwhelmed. If this breakdown helped you understand budgeting more clearly, please like, subscribe, and share the video. This is Lean Learning Lane, where we focus on practical education, one clear lesson at a time. In the next video, we'll talk about emergency funds and how much you actually need to feel financially safe. If you're finding this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share the video. Lean Learning Lane is all about simple, practical education, one clear lesson at a time.